on that. Alright, good.
Hi, I'm the YouTube user Orlando Fanboy 10. You may have seen some of my videos like LEGO Extreme Agents. And will be coming soon, LEGO Extreme Agents 2. So, I hope that when you see this video, my brother, which is kind of mental sometimes,
Shut up!
this will be an amazing video, but will be warning. May contain some things that are not approved by some children under 5 years old or 10.
Shut up!
Warning. Be careful if you laugh so hard. Are you ready? Get set. This is Alex.
What's up, Stephanie? How you doing? Sorry. Hi, I'm Alex Sylvester, your videotaper and, well, sometimes mental dude. I love making these videos for my crazy little brother, because it's just fun. In my next video, I'm going to be a dumb crack kid who tries to kill the gay camera dude. Word! Thank you, Marshall. And, well, keep watching our videos, and I'll give you $1 million. Not, losers. Not really, you losers, y'all cool. Alright, see you later.
Also, don't forget, my YouTube channel will be updated soon, and I'll figure out how. See ya!